series, The Conscience of Man. And in this series we're looking at the inward man, which is made up of different parts. One of those parts being the conscience of man. And in what we want to look at today, we want to look at the fact that there is an inward and outward man. We want to look at the four components to the inward man, and then we want to have a look at the conscience itself. And so to start with the scriptures today. And so all unbelievers are in darkness. They can't see. And so it's not the eyes of their spirits that were open. The eyes of their spirits were open all the time. Now, not to say that they were seeing into the spirit realm. Most probably they could, because they conversed with God in the cool of the day. God is a spirit, and so it's very possible that they could see into the spirit realm. We can just conjecture on that particular point, but the point is that their spiritual eyes were not open. I'm not going to get into that in any kind of depth, but children don't have a conscience. They have one, but it's not activated. Romans 7 verse 9, Paul talking about himself when he was a child, he says, I was alive once without the law, but when the commandment came, sin revived and I died. And so he's just talking about the fact that when he was a child, he was spiritually alive to God. When he reached the age of accountability, the commandment came, and the moment he did, that happened, and he transgressed on whatever came.